thing will actually be able to... Fidget spinner! Hey guys, what is up? It's me, Jay Vlogs, and I'm doing a What's Inside video. And today I'm being joined by my dad. Hello. Okay, so we have certain items we're going to be doing. We're going to be doing a teddy bear. We're going to be doing some Hot Wheels. And then binoculars. You have to hold that teddy bear.
Okay.
The teddy bear's first.
Please don't do it. No, don't do it.
Oops. Okay. We're doing surgery on this bear. We're giving it a new head. Do you think this thing will actually be able to cut?
Probably should have tried it off camera.
Oh, something's coming out. He died.
Oh.
That was bloopers. So let's just kill it.
Well, we gotta explain to the viewers what's happening. So we're gonna check and see what's inside stuff. Right now we're checking Jaden's old teddy bear that he does no longer need anymore. Alright.
I'm almost done.
And he's almost there cutting.
I'm on the last grains.
So, peeps, check this out. This stuffed animal actually has stuffing.
It's bleeding. It's bleeding.
Alright, so this no longer has a head. What do you think about that?
Do you think this is too graphic?
Yeah, I don't know if YouTube might pull this down. Too violent.
Yeah.
Too violent. Did you want to cut off its leg?
No, that's just evil, Dad. That's just evil.
What else is in this? Just stuffing all the way.
We're trying. Wait. I'm gonna be right back, and so we're gonna go on commercial break.
So today on Jay Vlogs, and they can cause damage.
Okay, I'm back.
Okay, never mind. Ah, Jesus.
See, you, Dad, my phone didn't even like that. See, a camcorder will just stay.
That's why our viewers need to like his video so we can upgrade to a new tripod.
That looks so white.
Yeah, we're trying some different lighting. That's not working too good either.
Well, it's dark in this room, so I have like a super strong LED right here.
It's making us look very, very pale.
I don't think that this is going to be able to do this. So we're going to try and get some tools from my dad's toolbox. Okay, which one do you think would good? This is your toolbox. Do you know the way around this?
Alright, well, we could try to pull it apart. So you hold this end.
Okay.
And I'll hold this end.
You want to get your hammer and just
Hold
smash it?
Oh, maybe even better. Alright.
Okay. Oh my god!
It's hollow inside.
That thing just split in half.
Yes.
So this hit me.
Oh yeah, we got a baby.
Oh yeah, you're waking up the baby. Okay. So you want to see what... Okay, wait, give me this. Where is this? So this is the track that goes underneath it. This is the inside. Then you have this. This is what it looks like inside.
Oh, how?
Yeah. We'll try this one. It's going from the worst to the best. So, wait, then we should have done that 1 second. This first. We'll be right back. So if you guys enjoyed that video, please leave a like, please leave a comment, and subscribe to join the J Army. See you next time.
Army.
Bye. Okay, so how are we going to cut open this car now? If you guys want a close view of it.
Place it with this.
Okay, yeah, you hold it, I'll whack
Alright,
it.
just don't hit my hand. Alright.
Hold on to it real tight. Ooh! 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 If you want to see the damage, I just destroyed this whole inside area. We got this right here. This whole area.
Alright, let's see. Got some plastic pieces? Alright. Check out, are there seats in there? Do we see seats?
No seats, so
No
this
seats.
is undrivable. This is what it is. Number one.
Number one in your heart.
Okay. You idiot. It's just one flying over here.
Chassis, we got the chassis right here.
Chassis?
Yeah.
So we already tore this one up also. Rest in peace pile. Which one should we do? I believe there's seats in here. If we can hit the roof on this one.
Here?
Yeah, if we can hit.
Alright.
Whoa. This is all gonna fall down. Okay. You ready?
Yep.
Ooh, I'm bending it.
There you go. Alright. Try to hit some now.
Wait, let go. That barely bent it. Barely. Okay.
Just hold it against there. Okay, ready?
Wait.
Ready?
Yeah.
Alright. You ready? One more time?
Yeah.
I think I got one more in me. Ooh, pretty solid.
You can see
Matchbox
around here.
car.
It's kind of. Oh, like right here, you can see.
Oh, we got a special guest star.
We bent this out of place.
Special guest star. Hello. Can you introduce yourself?
Here. We're just trying Hot Wheels.
You gotta say your name though if you're gonna be on the video.
Good
This one's
guess.
for you, baby.
Ready? It's gonna be loud. Ready?
Ooh, that bent the frame pretty good.
Ooh. This right here was rectangular. Right here it's bent in. And right here. This thing's like all bent
What is
up.
that?
The wheel. Dad, you gave it a flat tire. Dust probably.
Thank you for the guest appearance.
Goodbye.
Okay.
This side is like untouched. Oh, the wheels. Dad, you can pull it apart. The wheels.
Alright, let's see.
I just pulled the wheels out.
Alright. I get this side.
Mhm.
You get this side.
Yeah. Wheel has no down.
Can they see?
Wheel down. Oh, wait. Ooh. Okay. Let's see if we can get the seats out.
Ooh. It's an indestructible matchbox. I will say
The harder metal ones?
that is
Ooh.
okay.
We pulled the other wheels out. Okay. So this is the frame. It's bent because of what we did. You see them?
It definitely has molded seats.
It has seats, molded seats in it. So this one and a steering wheel. This one is drivable. It has a spare tire. Oh, it has seats in the trunk.
Really?
Okay, so
Two-seater.
it has the front 2 seats. Then it has 3 seats in the back, and then 4 seats in the trunk. So
The
next,
back of your head or the front of your head? That is like the brightest light ever.
Yeah, that's what we need when we're doing a professional video.
Oh, I'm sorry.
where do you put this? Oh, right here. Okay. So next we're gonna get the next car. Wait, where? Okay. I kind of want to do. I feel like this one's gonna be easier to break, but who knows? And I'm gonna actually get you into the action for this one. Yeah. Okay. So should we give it a good old whack? Or what?
Yeah.
Can-
You want to do it?
Yeah, whack. 3, 2, 1. Something went flying
Something
over
went
here.
flying.
We got the wheel.
Look at
Okay.
this. Look at your table.
Yeah. Okay.
It's the things we do for YouTube. Oh, pretty hollow inside.
Pretty hollow.
Yeah.
Any seats? Was
A
there?
little bit of glass. Here.
Was there? Oh, glass.
Well,
Okay.
plastic.
Oh, plastic. Was there any
What was that?
seats? My camera's out of focus. Was there any seats? No. Undrivable. This is currently our scrapyard up here. We even have pieces from the teddy bear. Okay. What are you doing?
Just softening the blow.
Oh. Okay.
Sing the wheels on the bus when we destroy this.
Wait, we have to sing
That's the
that?
rule. The wheels on the bus go.
Round and round. That's why I chose
It's an
mine.
old table that we had
How long have I had this for?
a while.
I'm getting into the action.
Get into it. Ready?
Yeah. Oh!
Nice. We got a little action. Ready?
Okay. Okay, wait.
All right.
Oh!
That was good. Let's see.
We have a piece right here.
How many seats do we have? Let's count them.
Ooh, yeah, I was able to tear some out. 1, 2, half so far, actually.
Alright, here's the other chassis. The wheel.
8.5.
Excuse me. The wheel. Oh my god.
So we have 8.5 seats so far. Destroyed this bus. Dad, let's actually get your power tools for your next one. Okay?
Yeah. Okay.
Bum, 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 bum. Okay, I forgot about this. I thought we were on to binoculars. No. So we have some power tools. We have like some stabbing stuff. I have no idea what that is. Oh, I can extra stuff for this.
What's the stabbing stuff? Drill?
Drilling and driving. That says driving. Drilling and driving accessory kit. Okay. So, can you hold this? No, never mind. So guys, I'm doing this.
You're probably gonna want.
That made the tiniest hole ever.
Let's not gonna do it.
This is my damage so far. You're taking a break.
Okay.
Oh, okay, I can hold it.
That's what I'm saying, don't hold it. You okay?
Whoa, that thing just. Whoa! Oh! Oh! Fidget spinner! Fidget spinner! Wait! Fidget spinner! Fidget! Homemade fidget spinner. It's
Alright,
the national.
so now we've got a hole.
Oh, we have a hole right here. Oh! 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 Wow, he just digs a hole right through my table. Wait, is that noticeable from under here?
It shouldn't. Oh, it is?
Oh,
Wow, that went quick.
wait, it is?
Oh, I saw the light. That's
Oh!
amazing.
Oh my god, Dad. That made a huge mark.
How the hell did that go through that quick? Alright, so we just drilled through here and inadvertently drilled through our table.
It comes out right here.
Let's
So
try.
it went in here,
Let's try something else now.
out here.
Looks like a melted.
You think it melted?
Looks like it.
I kind of want to do the driver's like area. I kind of want to go through here.
Alright.
Oh! Oh my god. Whoa. Looks like a Godzilla movie over here.
So shiny.
That thing's gonna fly into outer... that thing, I knew it was gonna fly into outer space. Oh my
Special
god,
guest
look at
star?
that table! Look at
Special
that
guest?
table! Oh yeah.
Look at the black marks on that table.
Cantilever?
Oh yeah. Look at all this.
What's the matter?
Look at what we just did.
What the?
Look at this.
You're not doing my doll yet.
Are you serious? Okay, should we do it? Oh my god! The metal is super hot! Dude, the metal back here is super hot.
Right.
So guys, we're going to be like using this drill, and we're going to be drilling through the plastic looking of the binoculars.
These are actually the Spy Gear binoculars.
Dad,
Yep.
that's trademark. We can't say that.
Okay, excuse that. They don't advertise with us.
Yeah, we're not sponsored.
Hey, you guys want to take bets on get hurt?
Probably about a minute. Wait, did you actually just get hurt?
No.
Oh. Stand back, stand back.
Hold on. Let me put my hands on her ears.
Yeah, so put your hands.
Ready?
Okay. Okay.
Oh, it's okay.
Say 1, 2,
3. Oh!
Oh.
All right. Sorry, baby. She don't like
There
it.
we go.
You don't like
Oh.
it.
Get your things, the rippers. Yes, I have them in my hand.
Look, I'm very good. Break it.
Okay. What's inside?
What's inside of binoculars? Oh God, it's such a broken things.
All right. Let's see what's inside.
Da-da-da.
The Last Jedi.
Are they sponsoring your show?
Huh?
Yeah, do you get sponsored at all? Dad?
No.
No sponsor. Take that, Disney.
Is it Disney?
Disney owns Star Wars, yeah.
Really?
Yeah, Disney owns that.
That is
The show with the most death in it. Disney, the biggest kid network ever, owns Star Wars, the movie that most characters die every movie. Think about it, all the stormtroopers that die.
I know,
Most
right?
and all ships that get blown up, most characters die. Okay, well, I'm taking this out.
So, did you ask Dad if he wants you to do that?
Dang it! The battery's dead.
Battery's dead.
Yeah.
Hey, what's that thing on?
Oh.
Try it. Try to use your hands.
Twist her up nice.
Oh yeah?
Right there, you're right.
Right there?
right.
Wait, there is wires?
We've got wires.
Oh my god!
Told you.
We have wires? Wait, why is the wires? What's...
Okay.
Oh!
What? Was it live?
Yeah.
It was live wires. Oh, this is his second time getting zapped. His first time was taking down the tree. The Christmas lights. Okay! We are being joined today by live wires.
Quiet. He's crying.
Is he really?
I think so.
Are you serious? Are you actually... Wait, can I see your hand?